Apple's foldable future, iPhones and iPads that bend. Apple, the tech giant known for its innovative designs and cutting-edge technology, is reportedly working on a new project that could revolutionize the smartphone and tablet industry. The company is said to be developing not one but two prototypes of foldable iPhones. These devices are expected to fold horizontally, much like Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip devices. Apple's game-changing innovation? Dive into this video to discover how Apple is revolutionizing the tech world yet again. From foldable iPhones to iPads that bend, get an exclusive sneak peek into Apple's groundbreaking designs. Don't miss out on this exciting journey. The foldable iPhone, a glimpse into the future. Despite the recent release of the Vision Pro, Apple has not put aside its plans for foldable devices. However, don't expect to see a foldable iPhone in the next couple of years. Reports suggest that these devices are not part of the company's mass production plans for 2024 or 2025. The design of these foldable iPhones presents a unique challenge. Apple engineers reportedly want to create a device with displays on the outside, but this design can easily break. Furthermore, the company aims to develop a foldable device that is as thin as current iPhone models. However, the size of batteries and display components make this a difficult task. Despite these challenges, Apple is making progress. The company has reportedly spoken with at least one manufacturer in Asia about procuring parts for foldable iPhones of different sizes. The folding iPad, a new era for tablets. In addition to foldable iPhones, Apple is also reportedly working on a folding iPad. This device is expected to be around the same size as an iPad mini, with an 8-inch display. Apple engineers are currently trying to reduce the crease that appears in the center of the display and develop a hinge that allows the display to lie flat when unfolded. However, it's still unclear when Apple plans to release this folding iPad. A recent report suggests that a 7 or 8-inch device could be ready by 2026 or 2027. Apple's foray into foldable devices represents a significant step forward in the tech industry. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the development of foldable iPhones and iPads could potentially change the way we use our devices. As always, Apple continues to push the boundaries of innovation, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.